wabarakatuh. So, my name is Norjan Ruano Sebastian. So, my topic for today is about social media connection or distraction. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our talk show. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that is very close to our daily lives. So, social media connection or distraction. Nowadays, almost everyone uses social media, right? So, we use it to chat with friends, study, watch videos, or many people also believe that social media can waste our time and affect our mental health. So, to help us understand this issue better, we have guests today. Welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
So let's begin with a simple question. In your opinion, what are the biggest benefits of social media?
I think social media has many advantages. First, it helps you communicate with people quickly, no matter where they are. Second, students can access educational content, online courses, and study groups. Then, social media allows people to promote their business, share their talents, and even earn money by creating content. So, if you use it wisely, social media can be a very accessible tool.
So those are great points. But many people spend several hours every day on social media. So do you think this can become a problem?
Yeah, definitely. Spending too much time on social media can reduce productivity. Many students become distracted while studying because they keep checking notification or watching short video. Another problem is mental health. People often compare themselves with others online. Even though social media usually show only the best moments of someone's life. This comparison can make people feel stressed or insecure.
So that's true. I think many students can relate to that. Have you ever experienced being distracted to social media?
Yes, I have. Sometimes I open my phone just to reply to one message, but then I spend much longer scrolling through videos or reading posts before I release it and how has passed. To avoid this, I now turn off unnecessary notification while studying and set a specific time to check social media. It has helped me focus much better.
That's a practical solution. In your opinion, should students stop using social media completely?
No. I don't think that's necessary. Social media itself isn't the problem. The real issue is how we use it. Instead of quitting social media, students should learn to manage their time. For example, they can finish their homework first, set daily screen time limits, and follow educational or inspiring accounts rather than content that's only wastes time. My advice is simple. Use social media wisely. Don't let it control your life. Remember that your real life, your education, for your family, and your health are more important than getting more likes or followers. Use social media to learn new things, communicate with others, and spread positive message.
Oh, thank you for your wonderful insights today.
Yeah, You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So, this is our last presentation for the last exam with subject public speaking. So, my name is Nordin Ruano Sebastian, and then this is my partner.
My name is Muhammad Herul Rizal.
And your student ID number.
Yeah, sure. My study number 205 25105.
And then my student ID number is 20525101. So that's it. Thank you for watching and listening for our videos. I hope you learn about social media and use it wisely. So that's it. Thank you so much.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I just had to let you know you're